Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set any form of ringtone on your iPhone today. If it's an Android, if you want to see an Android version, let me know and I'll try to make a video of that one as well. But before we start, if it's your first time on this channel, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to see any video, comment down below in your comment section. And at the end of this video, just comment to me what song is your favorite that you would like to put as your ringtone on your iPhone. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store, right? So you go into the App Store and then you download this Garage ringtones for iPhone. So as soon as you download it, you go on there and you see that it will ask for, it comes on this will come on. You don't need to pay anything, just click on the limited version as you can see on there. So you click on the limited version, as you already know, there's a free trials and stuff, so you just take it up. It already comes with like a lot of like different ringtones and stuff that you can put on there if you want. But if you don't want, you can go on here. As you can see, you have video library, even like documents, and then you can upload from TikTok. So I have one that I can upload from TikTok, but I've already downloaded the video. So I'll go on video library. You can see on here I've already selected it, and you can select the length from where to where that you want to like the sound to come in, and then from there you just have to, after you selected the amount or length that you want to do, you put on save, and this will be saved onto your mine ringtones on here. And after that is done, you just have to wait a bit and you press install. But before you press install, make sure you have this app as well, which is called the GarageBand. Normally it comes installed straightforward on your iPhone, but in case you don't, make sure you download GarageBand. And after you've already saved it, we're gonna press install. And then when you press install, it's gonna come this, but we're gonna remove this option here, right? Because it's gonna be teaching you how to do it, and we're gonna go to GarageBand. So after we go to GarageBand, your project will already come here and be saved. All you have to do now is long press it, right? And then you press share. So when you press share, you press on ringtones, then you put the name, any name that you want. So right, we're gonna put this, right? And then we're gonna export it. But this already exists, so I'm gonna put this. So that will be exporting, as you can already see on there. And then after it's exported, we'll press use sound as, and you can use it as a text tone assigned to contact or just a standard ringtone. So I'll just press standard ringtone, and that is done. So that is done now. I'm going to make a call so you can see that totally works. So I'm going to give it a call so you guys can see when the ringtone comes in. As you can see, this works perfectly. The ringtone comes in perfectly, and that's about it. So you guys can do the same thing. If you recognize the ringtone, comment it down below in the comment section. Let me know if you know what ringtone this is. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate appreciate the video. I appreciate your likes and comments, and I pray and I hope you keep commenting, keep liking the video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much, and until next time, peace.